Terry Green from Oklahoma, and I've had a hard case surgery back in probably 30 years ago with complications, and within the last year I've had cataract surgery, and in my right eye the surgery went bad, and I have was basically legally blind in my right eye, and with complications in my left also. We're working on my right eye to begin with, and we did the LaZrPlastiques with, they were very thorough and accommodating, and the surgery itself was near pain-free, and we're in the recovery process now, and hopefully within a few weeks we'll end up with vision that can at least get us past a DOT driver's license and my pilot license. I have to do physicals for both, and that's what our goal is, to be able to see good enough to get our pass our physicals for my truck driving and my pilot license.
Pleasure.
Thanks again.
Keep him away from helicopters and all that, okay?
Okay.
Sometimes, sure.
Okay.
Take care. And you stop looking at your shopping list, look after him, okay?
That's right.
I'll see you guys.
Thanks again.
Safe travels.